All right, guys, we are in week 9, and before you get started building your trebuchet, obviously you've picked up your kit. I just want to review the stuff that's in the kit to make sure you've got everything you need, and so that you don't get yourselves into trouble getting started without following some instructions. So, taking a look at this image here, on the left-hand side, you have your stock that you're going to be cutting to length to make the pieces. Some of the parts have already been made for you. The sling slide, which is this guy, is already cut to length. The swing arm was cut to length and has some holes in it. The 2 vertical spars are already set to go. You're going to have 2 Coke cans for your weights. Don't drink those. You can drink those in June, but don't drink them today. This is called a miter box. It's going to be what you use to make some good straight cuts on this stock. I gave you a hacksaw blade, which is generally not used for cutting wood, but it's what I had extras of. You're going to get a cup of glue, a brush, a hammer, scissors, and needle nose pliers are not included. These guys are not part of the kit. You will get a full-size drawing sheet that you're going to use for your measurements, and you're going to use as a template to glue up the sides. You also have a fully assembled and parts list. I have broken it out into week 9 and week 10 with the bags. Please don't open week 10 and dump it out all over the place, because you're liable to lose some parts. You're going to need those for a separate video. This week is week 9, and the contents of this bag are your gussets and 2 different lengths of nails. If we zoom in here a little bit, take a look at some of these things a little closer. Whoops. Let's take a look over here. So you'll see that there's some thin nails that are a little bit longer, and then there's some shorter nails. The shorter nails are for the gussets. Do not use the thin nails. They'll go through and end up hitting your table. We'll talk more about the stuff in that bag later on. Again, I did not give out hammers and scissors. Hopefully you have a hammer in your house. All right, that covers going through the kit. The next video is going to get you started on building these pieces.